Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn about how to use Flex in CSS. It's a very simple process. First you have to come over into your Sublime text. So first we can simply add a heading over here. You can simply add a h1 tag, and from here you can simply type create a Flex container, and you can simply save it. And now we can go for open the browser. As you can see that in our heading text is showing over here into our website. After that we're going to click div tag, and into the div tag we can simply add class, and into the class we can simply add flex container. So for that we can simply add flex dash container. Make sure your spelling is all okay. And after, what we can do, we can simply create div give1, and we can create like this, and we can simply name them 2, 3, 4. So what we did, we create a h1 tag, as you can see over here, and then we add a class attribute into the flex container named, and then we added 4 boxes or 4 row over here, as you can see 1 2 3 4. And then we will come to the style.css, and into the style.css we can simply click dot and then add the name flex container. We can simply use the curly brackets, and into the curly brackets we can simply add display attribute with the flex, and then we can simply add a background color with Dodger blue. That's it. And now we can simply save it. And now look at to this website. What did happened? Nothing happened right now. You have to save it. So as you can see right now, there is a create a flex container, and there is a column 1 2 3 4 numbering over here. So dot and flex container, and then we'll give this angular brackets, and then we're going to add div. Into the div we can simply add the curly brackets, and into the curly brackets we can simply add background color as f1 f1 f1, and then we can give a margin to making a box. For that we can simply add margin, and going to give 10 pixel, and going to need a padding for making the box to create, and then give the value 20 pixel, and then we're going to give a font size into the box. For that we'll need to use the font size attribute, and then we need to give here 30 pixel. Now that's it. We can simply save it right now. Now if we go for our browser, if you just refresh, and as you can see right now, your create flex container is looking like this. So this is how we can simply use flex for creating flex container. You can simply align them and customize their positions like however you want. So this is the advantages for using flex. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.